Hello mga friendship, kamusta na? Hello, it's me again and welcome to my channel. Today is our party again. Party namin today for Valentine's, a party ng mga friends. Kaya ito, balik na naman kami sa aming party room like we used to. At least may magawa sa buhay. Ito lang yung buhay namin dito. Happy na kami dyan sa mga party namin. Kaya okay na yan kesa naman sa wala kaming mapuntahan, walang magawa. So, andito na. Siyempre, una kami kasi kami yung andito nakatira. So, kaya eto, hello, kamusta? Wala namang magbubukas sa akin. Okay. Ito na yung party namin. Welcome to our party room.
I became a cop so people.
Anyway guys, this is our first dance. The lovely couple, Maggie and Nestor. Ito talaga yung actually ang gustong-gusto mag-party talaga. And I cannot blame them kasi syempre ang sarap-sarap naman kaya mag-dance kasi alam nyo naman ang mga couple ngayon. Wala, like I said, ilan na lang yung couple na nakikipag-cooperate yung mga husband nila kasi kami actually ang asawa ko, I cannot force him to dance with me kasi he is not very comfortable, but I understand it's not easy pag hindi mo na yan laging ginagawa. Kaya kahit paano nga, like I said, I'm not very comfortable doing my singing thing, but I tried para hindi ka magkaroon ng fear lagi. But ganyan talaga, kanya-kanya lang yan na talent eh. But anyway, this couple, like I said, talagang she's very happy doing all this stuff. Talagang she is like very happy. Okay, this is my hobby. Siya yung lagi nag-entertain to everyone. Kaya everybody's variety. They have singing, karaoke, and dance. Siniswitch namin para everybody can, can have fun. Tapos ang mga, he can sing a lot of different songs that some slow dance and like Latin music. Hello everyone, this is our first dance for Valentine's LD group party. We decided to celebrate just the friends, so it's better than staying home and party sa bahay. I think it's a good idea that we have a party room so we can move, we can dance, we can have a lot of fun. Kaya nag-enjoy lahat dahil at hindi mahirap kasi everybody's cooperate with the expenses, like nag-chip in kami for the party room, mga food. We decided to bring, it's a couple, we have to bring something, so hindi kami hirap like before. So this is our very first party sa ganitong occasion na talagang lahat may contribution para hindi mahirap kasi kung yung mga expenses ba kasi right now if you go out, if we decided to go out, it's not fun anymore because it's too expensive. At not only that, wala kang mapuntahan na mga dancing places. So ito ang mga friends namin, they are very good friends kahit na kami lang, just a very small group lang naman kami, hindi kami malaking group. Kaya ito, those are yung mga husband and wife. So look at them, nag-enjoy lahat at saka pwede kaming mag-ingay kasi I'm always the one who's throwing party to everyone. Kaya lang my house is not like before na I have a big place for like kasi mahilig kami mag dancing. Yung kasi yung mga pinagkakaabalahan namin at this time. So it's better than walang ginagawa, walang activity. So ito yung mga dala ng mga friend ko, mga kanya-kanya kami talagang dala kaya walang kahirap-hirap at saka lahat nagtutulungan ng setup and then yung paglilinis kasi we have to clean the party room para hindi kami ma-penalize kasi mape-penalty kapag hindi mo binalik ito sa tamang ayos. So anyway, so hindi masyadong baha-baha ang pagkain. So actually, we decided finger food. But alam niyo naman ang iba kung ano yung feel mong dalhin mo. So no pressure para walang gulo, di ba? Walang mga issue. So, it's good naman. It's very successful. Kaya okay lang. Kaya nag-enjoy kami lahat. We stay until late. Nagtulungan lahat. Kaya I think this is a good start. So, probably we're gonna do it again. This is my part. Yan ang dala ko. That's a macaroni soup. Chicken macaroni soup. Yan ang pinagawa sa akin ng aking amo. Siyempre, yung asawa ko hindi mabubuhay ng finger food. Anyway, so have fun. Watch the whole video, please. Thank you. Okay, look at us. We are all having fun. Ganito lang ang ginagawa namin sa party namin. Dancing. Wag na muna natin ilagay yung music para hindi tayo mag-copyright. Okay? So, yan lang ang kasiyahan naming mga barkada. Kaya keep going lang kami kahit na kami-kami lang nag-enjoy kami. But anyway, this is only trial din yan para makita namin how is it. And I think next time we're gonna invite more people para mas masaya, diba? So, yan ang trabaho namin ng asawa ko. Siya nag-entertain with the music. We can sing a live music. Ako naman, teaching line dancing. Anyway, so, nadagdagan yung trabaho ko. Ngayon, nagbablog na ako at the same time. Kaya I have to take a video for this party. Look at this girl. Si Girly. That's Girly, my very nice friend. Look at them. Talagang mga party goers to mga to, parang mga bata. And look at Maggie, may photo bomber. So, ayan sila, mababait siya mga yan. Masarap kasama, talagang party-party lang para enjoy. So, ayan, pinakikita ko lang sa inyo kung paano kami nagpa-party. Ayan ang aming DJ, ang aking kaaway, yan ang aming DJ. So anyway, lahat kami dancing para masaya. Kaya lahat sila nag-i-enjoy every time we have party. Kaya ang anak ko nag-enjoy talaga nung andito pa siya kasi we're always have party. Kaya ang baby ko talagang sanay siya sa ginagawa namin. It's so sad nga lang dahil hindi na namin siya nakakasama. But I'm pretty sure she's just around. Alam ko nakikita ako ng anak ko and she is very happy right now watching her mommy and daddy having fun with their friends, and that's what she wants. She's forced me to have friends with a lot of friends. Okay, we have a karaoke time, but like I said, we cannot put the music because of the copyright. But actually, I wish I could kasi everybody's had fun. Lahat kami, we're singing, dancing. Kaya nag-enjoy lahat. Those are all my friends. Yung iba, syempre may mga anak. Kawawa naman. Di natin pwedeng iwanan yan sa bahay. Actually, yan yung mga young couple yan sa mga friends namin. Kaya may mga maliliit pang mga bata. Kaya ito, but kami ito yung mga friends ko na they are very, mga party animal kami dyan. Anyway, just for fun lang naman. Ito yung si Bulilit, ang galing pala kumanta, but the thing is, hindi natin pwedeng ilagay yung music kasi yung music natin is may copyright yan, we can't. So, mag, uh, um, have fun na lang. So, hopefully, ang nanay niya nakuhanan siya ng video para siya na lang mag-post kasi ako sa YouTube, I can't. So anyway, eto, kanta-kanta kami. Pagka ganitong kami lang mga magkakaibigan, walang hiyang-hiya. Lahat talaga kami nagkakanta-kanta talaga kami para masaya. Kaya ayan ang ginagawa namin lagi nakakatawa talaga. Kaya next time again. So I'll yan mga sayaw-sayaw. Yan, ang
Mga
galing.
friend ko, sige.
Ang mga line, kaya LD is line dancer group actually yan. Kaya look at us. We are all like, para kaming mga talagang nagpa-party animal. But anyway, yan lang naman ang kaligayahan namin. Kaya it's okay. Kesa naman sa wala kaming magawa sa buhay namin, right? Okay. Okay, kaya yan ang ginagawa ko sa mga yan para sa mga friend ko, para mag-have fun sila lahat. Talagang hinahanapan ko sila ng way to have fun para, masaya naman. Kaya tuwang-tuwa naman silang lahat. Napaka babait naman ng mga kaibigan ko, mga kaibigan namin. Kaya lang, syempre, alam nyo, anything is not perfect. Walang perfect, even the group, the family, the friends, and you're always something. But enjoy life lang. Ganyan talaga ang buhay. We have to uh, uh, accept the fact na walang perfect. So, keep going. Yan. Basta ako right now, ang goal ko is to enjoy my life. Kahit na hindi ako happy, at least dyan, I'm very productive, very trying to show everyone na I'm okay, I'm good. Okay, eto na ang ginagawa namin. Talagang sayaw-sayaw, have fun lang. Yan ang mga trip namin. So, everybody can have fun. Tingnan mo, kahit anong ginagawa namin dyan, okay lang. Basta mag-enjoy lang. Yan ang buhay namin, mga magkakaibigan, mag-enjoy. Wala nang mga kung ano-ano pa. Basta enjoy, do whatever you want. Di naman kami yung mga magugulo, nag-have fun lang naman kami. So, dancing, singing, and everything. Yan lang ang maganda sa mga friend ko, game sila. Siyempre, kami lang naman, so wala nang hiya-hiya. Talagang have fun talaga. Wala na kaming ginagawa, kundi sayaw-sayaw and karaoke. So, good na kami. That's how we have fun sa mga grupo, kaya, which is good. Okay, the party is very successful. Everybody had fun. Lahat sila nag-enjoy, lahat ng tao nag-enjoy. Kaya I think we're gonna do it again next time. So, stay tuned sa mga susunod naming mga adventure. Like I said, this is our job. This is what we're doing for living, and at the same time, our side job, and of course, we had a chance to hang out with the friends. At least meron kaming group of friends. This is our DJ. Yan yung kaaway ko na makulit na si Grinch. No, joke lang. Okay, so this is our this is how the party is. Kahit try lang naman ito kasi we didn't invite any outsider, just the couple of group friends. Kaya Probably next time we're gonna have more fun kasi testing lang to, titingnan natin kung mag-work. So probably next time we're gonna invite some friends. And then same thing, kung mag-chip in kami to everything para sa mga expenses, it's better than, going out and find like a nightlife kasi parang wala nang mga masyadong mga uh, places na pwede kang mag-dancing. Actually, we tried, but mostly is mga millennials and I feel like we're not fit on that crowd. But actually, pwede naman, but the thing is very, parang awkward kasi mostly ang nagna-nightlife ngayon is mga young couple, mga millennials like I said. But anyway, I think this is a very good idea. Okay, so till next again. So I will see you again in my next video. Thank you so much for all my subscribers. Thank you for all the followers and hope to see you again. God bless us all. Take care, everyone. Love you guys. Take care. Bye.